Are we live? Hello everyone. I hope everyone is having a good day. I think I only have 15 minutes to do this lesson, so I'm going to wait for a few people to get in the chat, and then we're going to start, and we're going to go quick today, okay? So, by the way, if it is your first time watching, hi, my name is Bree. I'm from America. I live in Japan and I teach English, and I have a YouTube channel, Bree's Practical English, under the same name if you want to find it. Oh, hello, May. Hello, MD. Hello, Thazine. Hello. Whoa, there's a lot of people now. Okay. Hello, Kwa. Hello, Dara. Hello. Okay. Hello, Jail. Oh, hello, Isuru. Hello, Adib. Hello, everyone. So I only have 15 minutes, probably less now. So we're going to jump into the lesson real quick. Ooh, I have a lot of stuff here. Okay, I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, very good. Hello, everyone. Hello, So. Hello, Hafez. Hello, Hatem. Hello, Raz. Hello, Aye. Hello, Adib. Hello. Okay, so getting into the lesson. Very good. We are going to learn about must and have to. Must and have to. Oh my gosh, are they not the same? So we're going to look at this a little bit today. So jumping right into it, must and have to on the surface are basically the same. So we used must and have to when we're talking about something that is necessary to do. So you have no choice. It is necessary to do something. You must do something. You have to do something, okay? Something is necessary. However, there is a slight nuance difference that I think especially native speakers use. So, basically they're the same. So when we talk about laws or rules or something necessary, we're going to use must or have to. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you, everyone who's sharing the live stream also. That really helps me out. So thank you so much if you share it with your friends. Okay. So must, I would say must is usually used for like street signs, or if there is a sign that says you need to do something, it would say must. For example, must remove shoes, or must not enter, right? So have to, I think, is more common in like daily life and conversation. Must does sound, to me at least, a little bit stronger. There's no choice between these, but must sounds a little bit stronger and more official sounding. So this is what you'll see on signs, okay? Must not enter, must remove shoes, must be this tall, excuse me, my voice, must be this tall to ride, okay? You would rarely see have to on signs. So that is one big difference, okay? And then we're going to get into the negatives. So when we use must in the negative, it's going to be must not. You must not do something. You must not enter. We can also contract must not, and it's going to be mustn't. So the T here is going to kind of disappear, right? We don't say mustn't. That's too difficult even for me to say. So we're going to say mustn't. You mustn't enter, okay? And for have to, when we put have to in the negative, there is a big difference between must, okay? So must means necessary to do something. Mustn't means it's necessary not to do something. However, have to in the negative is going to be don't have to or doesn't have to. We have to change that auxiliary verb, don't have to, doesn't have to. And it's going to sound like a choice. You don't have to study English. So you don't have to. It's not a rule. It's not necessary that you study English, but you can if you want to. It is your choice. Okay? Oh, today is raining in China. So I'm in Japan. It is not raining today. It has been raining a lot recently because of the typhoon weather, but today it is not raining. Okay, so does everybody understand must and have to? We can get into some example sentences, okay? So must and have to. So I wrote out all of the examples. So I'd like you to try and make your own sentences as well, okay? Oh, let's see. Hatim actually has an example. Oh, you don't have to eat. Very good. You don't have to eat, but that's your choice, right? If you want to eat, you can, okay? I must practice to improve my English fluency. Very good. So I must practice. It means you have no choice. It does sound a little bit strong. You could also say, I have to practice to improve my English fluency. I must go to the fitness club to do workouts to keep my body and heart healthy. Very good. So I must go to the gym. I must go to the fitness club. Or you could say, I have to. Very good. Okay, we're going to look at some examples that I wrote. So remember, I'll go over here a little bit. Okay. Must and have to. They both mean something, I put it, something is necessary to do or to be done, right? So we need to do something. We must do something. We have to do something. It is necessary. Okay, so I gave you 5 really simple examples that we can look at together. Okay, so number 1, you must take off your shoes here. You must take off your shoes here. We could also say, you have to take off your shoes here. But remember, if it is a sign, maybe there is a sign on the building, or for example, if you go to a temple, there might be a sign, must remove shoes. Maybe the sign will be like a very, not a complete sentence, but must remove shoes, or must not take photos, okay? You're gonna see must on those kinds of signs. But here, you must take off your shoes here, or you have to take off your shoes here, okay? So the next one, number 2, you have to do your homework. You have to do your homework. You have no choice. You need to do it. You have to do it. So for me, I think have to, I use have to a lot more than must. That's my, personally, I use have to a lot more, like in daily conversation. You have to, I have to, we have to. Okay? She has to, he has to, it has to. Remember, this have is going to change depending on your subject, okay? So you have to do your homework, or you must do your homework. To me, must sounds a little bit strong, okay? I would say have to. So number 3, she must not leave, or she mustn't leave. And remember, mustn't, this middle T disappears. It goes away somewhere. So she mustn't leave. Oh, let's see. Anna has an example. You must wear the mask when you go to Walmart now. Yes, very good. It is a rule. It has become a rule. You must wear a mask when you go to Walmart now. You must wear a mask. Very good. Okay. Let's see. Number 4. So notice the difference when we do a negative. So she must not leave. This means she has to stay there. She has to stay. She needs to stay. She cannot leave. She must not leave. Number 4 is very different. You don't have to read this book. You don't have to. So this is a choice. That is the big, big difference between have to and must. When we put it in the negative, you don't have to read this book. Sounds like a choice. You don't have to, but if you want to read it, you can, no problem. Ooh, okay, I have 6 minutes, all right. And then number 5, he doesn't have to come. He doesn't have to come. So notice here that have to stays the same, okay? However, the auxiliary verb don't, doesn't, this is going to change. So you don't have to. He doesn't have to. Be careful. I see some students saying he don't has to or he doesn't has to. So leave have to the way it is, okay? When it's followed by don't or doesn't, okay? Up here, you have to, she has to, he has to, okay? So he doesn't have to come. I'll get that a little bit closer. He doesn't have to come. This means it's his choice. He can make a decision, okay? He doesn't have to come. He doesn't have to come. Okay, is that understandable? I'm going to read these one more time, and then I want you to try to make some sentences in the chat, and I'll put them on the screen and we can go over them. So number 1, you must take off your shoes here. You must take off your shoes here. Number 2, you have to do your homework. You have to do your homework. Have to. You have to do your homework. Number 3, she must not leave. She must not leave. Or she mustn't leave. She mustn't leave. Maybe both of these T's kind of disappear. She mustn't. Okay. Number 4, you don't have to read this book. You don't have to read this book. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to read this book. And number 5, he doesn't have to come. He doesn't have to come. So have to becomes have to. Okay, very, very good. Let's see what you guys are writing in the chat. Let's see my time. Ooh, okay, 4 minutes. So I have maybe just enough time to check your sentences. Okay. Ooh, I see one. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a good one. You mustn't cross the road while a red color turn on. Very good. I would change this sentence. Your mustn't is correct. Very, very good. So you mustn't cross the road while the light is red. While the light is red, or when the light is red. Very good. Okay. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Okay. We don't have hang out with friends during this pandemic period. Okay, very good. So if you want to say that it's your choice not to hang out with friends, so you can say, we don't have to hang out with friends during this pandemic. However, that implies a choice. It is your choice not to hang out with friends. If you want to say it's a rule, depending on where you live, if it is a rule not to hang out with friends, you can say we mustn't or we must not hang out with friends during this pandemic. Okay? Let's see. Oh, this is a good one. You must follow the rules. Perfect sentence. Very good. You must follow the rules. You have no choice. This is a rule. You must follow the rules. Very good. Okay. people must respect the poors. So good sentence. I would say that the word poor, when you're referring to poor people, poor is uncountable. So we say the poor, the wealthy, the poor, the middle class. Okay, so people must respect the poor with no S. Very good sentence. Okay. Oh, this is a very good one. We must try our best. Perfect. We must try our best. So this is not a rule, but it is maybe you feel like you have no choice, right? We must try our best. You could also say we have to try our best. Very good. Okay. Oh, Anna made another sentence. You don't have to cook for me tonight because I'll eat outside. Very good sentence. You don't have to cook for me. This is perfect. You don't have to cook for me. So don't worry, you don't have to cook for me because I'll eat. So you said I'll eat outside. If you say I'll eat outside, it sounds like you're going to maybe have a picnic outside. So if you want to say that you're going to eat at a restaurant, you can say, because I'll eat out. I'll eat out tonight. Okay? So you don't have to cook for me tonight because I'll eat out. Very good sentence. Okay? Let's see. Oh. So, okay. Okay, oops, I saw a good question. Oh my gosh. My time's up. I'm so sorry. I'll get to your questions another time, so please leave them in the comments because my time is up. I have another lesson. So leave your questions in the comments and I will get them. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I'll see you in our lesson tomorrow. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry I went over my time. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.